Fox Hollow Estates has become a residence in waiting. The woods
It's
have yielded
unboxing.
more bones and more bodies. This latest discovery only deepens the mystery about the identity of the victims.
Researchers learned about earlier this afternoon that maybe some more puzzles continue to look around.
The search lasted about 2 weeks. Thousands of remains were recovered. We had 3 concentrations of bones. One was right behind the house, just into the woods that we called Area 1. The bones in Area 1 were mostly burned. Burning a body doesn't bring it to ash, but it does fragment the bones. Now, some distance to the west of that, we did have another concentration, roughly in this area. Those were burned as well. And then off to the west side of the property was Area 3, and that produced remains that were not burned.
Collecting the evidence in this case was enormous. Great efforts were taken to destroy these bodies. But to my knowledge, there weren't any skulls found, which is very, very odd.
We're concluding that search. These 2 young men come from the property adjacent to the west of Thomas and say, hey, looks like there might be evidence you guys might be interested in this creek that runs adjacent to Baumeister's property. So I climbed the fence, went over, these 2 young men showed me this creek bed. I've never seen that many skeletal remains in one place ever. There was thousands. Human remains scattered the length of the creek bed. Looked like it was a graveyard that had been opened up by water. It was just bones everywhere. Ribs sticking out of the banks, vertebra, tailbones, hip bones, leg bones, arm bones, you name it, skeletons. It just